Hello mga kawamat. In this video, we'll discuss mathematical expression and sentence. So our goal is to differentiate mathematical expression to in mathematical sentence. So we define first what is mathematical expression. A mathematical expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and mathematical operators like addition, okay, this for subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is a radical sign. And there's a lot of symbols in mathematics. So without a relation symbol such as equals, less than, and greater than. So dapat walang inequality symbol kapag mathematical expression. So it does not state whether something is true or false. Instead, it simply represents a value or a quantity. Kumbaga sa sentence, hindi pa siya complete sentence. Okay, tatandaan lang natin kapag mathematical expression, so dapat wala siya nitong tatlong to ng equal, yung mga inequality symbols like less than and greater than. So what are the examples of expressions or mathematical expression? So yung 3x plus 7 is an example of mathematical expression. This is an example of algebraic expression. Yung 5a squared minus 2b is an example of polynomial expression. Square root of 16 is an example of radical expression. 2x over y is an example of rational expression. The quantity of x plus 4 multiplied to the quantity of x minus 3, that is a factored form, still that is an example of mathematical expressions. So you can notice that on the five examples, expressions do not have an equal sign. So they are not complete statement, it's just a mathematical phrases. So ano naman yung pinagkaiba nitong mathematical sentence sa mathematical expression? So mathematical sentence is a statement that connects to expression using a relation symbol set as equals. So itong symbol na ito ay less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. So ito yung mga symbols nito ang dapat mo makita sa math para ma-identify mo na mathematical sentence siya. So it can be classified into open sentence. So ano ibig sabihin ng open sentence? It contains a variable. Truth depends on the value of the variable. And the other one is the closed sentence has no variable. It is always either true or false. So what are the examples of mathematical sentence? So in 2 plus 5 equals 7 is an example of closed sentence. So, ibig sabihin, walang ginamit na variable, no? Walang variable na ginamit. So, this is a true, no? Pag 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, it's a true statement. X plus 3 is greater than 8. So, ito ay open sentence. It depends on the value of X kasi since may ginamit siyang variable, we don't know what the value of X, no? Na greater than, dapat greater than 8. So, still, this is an open sentence, an example of mathematical sentence. Next is 4 times 6 is equal to 20. An example of closed sentence, but it is a false statement because 4 times 6 equals 24. It's not 20. Another example, 2x minus 1 equals 9. So this is an open sentence. So may ginamit ulit tayong variable dyan. 7 is a prime number. So this is a closed sentence. So that this is true. No, true naman yung statement. So you can notice that sentences express a complete thought and can be judged as true or false. So it's your turn. Please answer. Classify its given equation as a mathematical expression or a mathematical sentence. Number 1, 7 plus 9. So that's a mathematical expression. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the example of mathematical equation dahil meron siyang equal sign. Next, number 3. 12 is less than 20. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is an example of mathematical equation pa din. Then may inequality symbol siya. Next, number 4. Y squared minus 16. Okay, what kind of, ano to? This is an example of mathematical expression. Okay, y squared minus 16. Next, number 5. 9 is an odd number. So, it's a complete thought. So, therefore, mathematical equation yung number 5. So, thank you for watching this video. So, see you on the next video.